Divesh also talked to us about the fact that the Maharashtra government has now said that they're going to set up an SIT to probe this matter. What are the specific demands that the protesters are making at this point in time? Are they happy with this intervention?
Well, the protesters are demanding that stringent action to be taken against Turkish. Those accused have been arrested. More stringent action to be taken against Turkish. Those who made the parents wait for 12 hours from the school management, action be taken against them. The police officials who did not register the FIR initially, action to be taken against them. All those responsible for the people's anger, action to be taken against them. They are demanding that each and every person in authority should be punished for the ordeal that the parents have faced, the victims have faced, at the hands of the school management, at the hands of police officials, and at the hands of each and everyone who was responsible for their ordeal.
Devesh, getting in those details as far as the protest in Badlapur in Thane district is concerned here. These are pictures coming in from Maharashtra, where protesters are out on the streets protesting against what happened in a school. Also, Devesh, talk to us about what the school in question here is saying, given that it was a staff member who was involved in this matter.
Sneha, this was not the direct staff of the school, but the school had awarded a contract for cleaning purposes to a contractor, and that contractor had hired a temporary staff. So this staffer was not a direct school staff, but yes, he was working inside the school where for the contractor who had been awarded the cleaning contract, and there was no background check being done. There were no checks at all. No background check. There were no checks at all. And who will be allowed to intervene? Who will be allowed to interact with minor children? Remember, these are minor children. These are 3-year-olds who are in the first year of the school, who might be LKG students. And this is a reputed school we are talking about. So be it a reputed school or not, but students are meant to be safe inside their school premises. But here, they suffered an sexual assault. And not one, but 2 students at the hands of the same perpetrator, the same culprit. So, he's a serial molester, a serial sexual predator who was working in the school and targeting little children who should be punished. And that is why this protest is happening. You can see these are the visuals from Badlapur railway station where we are standing right now. These are all protesters. These are public. This is a public outrage being on display in Badlapur.
Well, absolutely. Yeah. Public outrage on display, not just the parents, viewers, or the school. In fact, the parents were involved in the school. But we have the general people who are protesting on the streets of Thane. Pictures are from the railway station where they are making it clear, essentially, that this isn't going to be tolerated anymore. Our colleague Mitlesh has sent us this report. Let's take a look.
4 साल की 2 बच्चियों के साथ जो है बदलापुर के एक आदर्श स्कूल में अत्याचार, एक सफाई कर्मचारी द्वारा अत्याचार किया गया था। उसके बाद जो है मामला दर्ज कर उस आरोपी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया और पुलिस रिमांड में भेज दिया गया है। लेकिन उसके बाद बदलापुर के नागरिकों में एक आक्रोश सी फैल गई। जो बदलापुर रेलवे स्टेशन है, आप देख सकते हैं पीछे जो बदलापुर रेलवे स्टेशन है पूरा, आप देख सकते हैं हजारों की संख्या में बदलापुर के नागरिक ये सड़कों पे उतरे। सड़कों के बाद ये रेलवे स्टेशन के रेलवे ट्रैक पर उतरे हुए हैं और उनकी एक ही मांग है कि आरोपी को फांसी की सजा दी जाए। मेरे साथ कुछ नागरिक हैं, उनसे बात करने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि ये जो मांग है आपकी, आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो।
All right, these are pictures in fact coming in from Badlapur where protests have broken out. Also, the school has been vandalized by the angry protesters. I'm going to go straight back to Devesh Singh, who's getting us more details on that story. He's joining us right now from the railway station. That you see on your screens right now where pictures are coming in of protesters who've gathered right there. Devesh continues to be with us. Devesh, talk to us about the police presence there and the fact that the protests have broken out, who are stopping the railways or stopping the trains essentially from moving. How have the services been affected? What more can you tell us?
Well, you can see these are the police officials present at the Badlapur railway station trying to contain the protest. trying to disperse the crowd. They are trying to speak to the protesters, trying to convince them that action will be taken as per demand, and all their demands will be met. All their demands will be met by the government, by the administration. Police, there was a mild lathi charge also that happened, after which there was stone pelting on police officers. Now, additional police force has been called, SRPF battalion has been called at the site so that this the crowd could be contained. Other than railway station, we saw while traveling to Badlapur that in the village also, in the town as well, there were protesters present. They were not allowing public transport to function. They were not allowing even the auto rickshaws to function. So now the protest is growing. The protest is growing. No number of protesters have joined after the latte charge. The crowd has swelled, and police are trying to disperse this crowd. They are trying each and possible way. There were tear gas were thrown. There was latte charge, but that did not help in containing the protest. Now they're trying the peaceful way. They're trying to speak to the protesters. They are agreeing to meet all their demands, fulfill all their demands. But protesters are in no mood to listen to them, and they are still going on with their protest. You see the crowd behind me. These are all protesters who gathered at the Badlapur railway station.
This is from the Badlapur railway station. Essentially, this is in Thane, where there's been an incident of molestation involving two young school children as young as 3 years of age, who were molested by a staff member in the toilet, is what we are learning. Pictures are coming in of the protesters who've get out the railway station. Series of political reactions that have been coming in. Let's take a listen.
नहीं, ये कानून सुव्यवस्था की धज्जियां उड़ चुकी है, और जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों पे अत्याचार होता है वो पूरे महाराष्ट्र को एक शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसी घटना। ये पुलिस विभाग की आज कानून व्यवस्था पूरी बिगड़ चुकी है। उनकी सबकी मांग है कि फास्ट ट्रैक पर चलाया जाए, 3 महीने के भीतर में ये नराधम को फांसी हो, और ऐसे आरोपी को किसी भी हालत में छूटना नहीं चाहिए। ये हमारी मांग है।